Hello everyone, today I will demonstrate how to wash clothes using washing machine. Before I demonstrate step by step, I will tell you why I choose this topic. I choose this topic because I want to tell you how to use washing machine correctly and well, so your clothes are not damaged because of the origin of the using washing machine. And the way I convey this is the simple way. So that those who have never been or afraid to use washing machine can use washing machine correctly. Okay, let's start step by step. First, open the door and put the clothes or clothes that you want to wash. Make sure there are no metal object or sharp object enter the washing machine, or the washing machine is not ruining and damaged. After you put all the clothes, you must close the door until it's completely locked. It's completely locked. Next, open the detergent drawer and put enough liquid detergent according to the number of the clothes you are washing. You can put a detergent liquid in there and the rest in the blue section. I recommend that you use liquid detergent instead of powder detergent so that the detergent dissolves easily. After filling the detergent and deodorized liquid, make sure the water tap is open. Turn on the power button. Next, we choose the mode that will be used. Here I choose the quickly 13 mode. This mode. You can choose another mode according to the materials of the clothes you wash. You can choose the sportwear if the clothes you are wash are made of sport. I choose this mode because it's a regular washing machine mode. And after you choose mode, you can set the spin and temperature. Yes, I will choose the temperature like 14 degree, and for spin I choose 400 mode. Okay, the temperature is 4 and the spin is 400. It's regularly mode. You can choose the temperature and speed according to the dryness of the clothes you want. The more high temperature and spin you choose, the dryness of the clothes will be high. Do not worry if your washing machine vibrates by itself, it's normal. Okay, after you follow the step by step, you can press this button to start washing. Did you hear the alarm? If you heard it, it means your laundry is done and you can take out your laundry and dry it. But this does not mean this is the last step. There is still the next step, which is cleaning the washing machine. You have to open this and turn this black cup towards the right or down. Then the residual water will come out and it is the residual water. And you open this cover of the hose too. You have to open it so that all the remaining laundry water can come out, so that the moss does not grow and the washing machine will last longer. Okay, it's all step by step how to wash clothes by using a washing machine for me. Thank you for watching. Bye.